So it's been a while since I posted, and today's May 4th, so it's technically a Star Wars Day. And if you guys still don't get why today's a Star Wars Day, it's May 4th, and it kind of sounds like May the Force be with you. Since today is a Star Wars Day, I'm going to talk about what I love about the prequels. Now, I do know that the prequels aren't very good Star Wars movies or movies in general, but I just have a soft spot for them because they're just enjoyable movies. The first thing that I love about the prequels are the lightsaber duels. They're probably the best thing to come out of the movies. The second thing I love about these movies are the characters, and sure, some of them are given some cringe dialogue, but they're still pretty cool characters. Another thing that I love about the prequels are the outfits. You cannot tell me that the Jedis and the Sith did not look clean in their outfits. The last thing that I love about these movies is the musical score. You cannot tell me that the music was not good in these films. Now, my favorite Star Wars prequel is Revenge of the Sith. If you have a different opinion, put it down in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and take care.